Welcome to our top 5 list of the best 3D printers for the year 2023. We've scoured the market to bring you the most innovative and high-performing machines that are sure to take your 3D printing game to the next level. So without further ado, let's dive into the list. First up on our list is the Prusa Y3 MK4. This printer boasts an impressive print speed and accuracy thanks to its upgraded extruder and hotend. The Prusa Y3 MK4 is also equipped with a user-friendly interface, making it easy to use for both beginners and experts alike. The next printer on our list is the Ultimaker S5 Pro Bundle. This printer is designed for professional use, with its large build volume and dual extruders allowing for intricate designs and complex prints. Its automated bed leveling and material detection make printing a breeze, while the included air filtration system ensures safe and clean printing. Third on our list is the Creality CR10V3. This affordable printer doesn't skimp on features with its large build volume, high print quality, and stable construction. The Creality CR10V3 is also equipped with a filament runout sensor and resume printing function, making it perfect for longer prints. Fourth on our list is the Formlabs Form 3. This printer utilizes advanced stereolithography technology, resulting in smooth and precise prints with incredible detail. Its easy-to-use software and network capabilities make printing from anywhere a breeze, while the included finishing kit ensures your prints look their best. Last but not least on our list is the Anycubic Photon Mono SE. This compact resin printer may be small, but it packs a punch with its high resolution and speed. The Anycubic Photon Mono SE also features a large touchscreen and simple user interface, making it perfect for beginners looking to experiment with resin printing. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best 3D printers of 2023. Whether you're a professional or just starting out, these printers are sure to impress. Thanks for watching and happy printing.